Hello and welcome to the MSD of Martinsville. If you are new to our district and would like to enroll your child, please keep watching. If you already have a child in our district and would like to enroll another, please click on the link in the description box below that will take you to the correct video because the processes are a bit different. Alright, the very first thing we'll need to do is open up our web browser. And then we'll need to go to our district website, which is msdofmartinsville.org. Alright, that'll take you to our homepage, and the first thing you'll see is this big enrollment button that you'll need to click on, and then that will take you to the enrollment page. That'll tell you whether or not we are currently accepting enrollment. And then you'll scroll down and find the click, and then you'll click on it. And then that'll take you to this form that you'll need to fill out with your information, and this will be creating your Skyward account. Now the things with asterisks next to them are things that you'll need to fill out, like your first name, your last name, email address, and phone number. So let's just put some examples in for us so we can get started. And here you can see that we can put our suffix or prefix if we prefer. And let's say you don't have an email address, you can click I don't have an email, and then you'll create your own login for Skyward. Alright, now once all that's done, you'll need to go look over everything, make sure it looks okay, and then there's this orange button in the bottom left-hand corner that you'll click on. And then that'll bring up this pop-up, and then here's your last chance to go back, change anything you want, or if it looks okay, you can click the OK button. Again, if you already have a student in our district, you do not need to do this step. Okay, this pop-up has your login and your password. If you put in your email address instead of a login, then you will receive an email with this information. So this link will take you to the Skyward, so all you need to do is highlight it. You can copy and paste it, or you can just right click, go there, and then it'll open up the window by itself. Alright, we need to log into Skyward, so you use your username and your password. If you've forgotten your username, you can click on Forgot Your Login / Password, and then you'll receive an email with that information. This is the application form to fill out to enroll your new student. All of the fields that have an asterisk next to them need to be filled out. After you've filled out all of the pertinent information, at the bottom of the page, there are two orange buttons. One says Complete Step 1 and move on to Step 2. The other says Complete Step 1 only. If you are looking to move on with the application, you are going to want to click on the first button, Complete Step 1, and move to Step 2. Here are some pictures of the completed forms. I have them pre-filled out to save time. So we've got Step 2, this is what it looks like, family guardian information. Step 3, medical dental information. Step 4, emergency contact information. Step 5, requested documents. And Step 6, additional district forms. Now after you have all of those filled out, at the very bottom of this page, there's a button that says Submit Application to the District. Once you click on that, that's all you need to do. You're good to go.